Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duties, and it's a VAC course. And for semesters, it could be from 1 to 4. Okay. The maximum duration is 2.5 hours, and maximum marks is 70, which is further divided into Part A and Part B. You attempt both parts. Part A is of 30 marks and Part B of 40 marks. And do remember to follow the instructions for the candidates. Okay. So you have to either write in English or Hindi. Okay. For part A, first question is compulsory, attempt 22, and the rest carry 10 marks. Question number 1, write short notes two of the following. First is preamble, second, fundamental rights, third, justice. Question number 2, discuss the provisions of part 3 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 3, are fundamental justice justiciable? Justiciable? Explain. Question number 4, discuss the relevance of ancient notion of righteousness in the working of Indian Constitution. Then comes the part B. In this, you have to remember the 4 questions. It's of 40 marks, so 4 questions. Okay, question number 1. What is the importance of Article 14, 19, 21 of the Indian Constitution? Question number 2. Is preamble part of Indian Constitution? Discuss. Question number 3. Give an account of federal system implicated in the Indian Constitution. Question number 4. Explain the significance of right to equality, Article 14 to 18 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 5. Discuss the nature of secularism inherent in the Constitution of India. Thank you. And if you want any other further notes of any other subject, do mention in the comments. I will post that PYQ and follow or subscribe for more DU content.